Hello everybody, this is Con on the road, or rather on voiceover. So as you can see from this video, this is an old video of mine from my archive footages, my dash cam recordings. Okay, so right now I just exited the NPE toll coming from Bangsa, headed towards the direction of Old Klang Road. So I'm just accelerating gradually along the middle lane. There's this slower moving Altis occupying the right lane, which I'm passing on the left. I know not recommended, but well, I just slowly pass the car on the left and move towards the right to pass the taxi that you just see on the left lah. So further ahead, you will see there is slow moving traffic on the fast lane as well as on the middle lane. So really at this point in time, there's nothing else to do but to just follow, maintain a safe distance. Now you see there are motorcycles on the slow lane, middle lane there are slow moving cars, and on the fast lane, well, there are slightly faster but still slow moving cars. So observe the middle lane. Okay, you will notice that Peugeot 3008 there moving to the middle lane, and the Waja is speeding up to close up the distance between itself and the yellow Renault Kangoo up front. Okay, there's still no room to pass on the middle lane, okay, because of this Hilux and the Hiace. But in front of the Hiace there's a bit of space, so the Renault Kangoo has moved aside. And just as we pass the Renault Kangoo, the green Waja moves aside as well. Now, right at this point in time, behind me there is a fast-moving Renault Megane RS. I'm just trying to get some distance, okay? And I was looking for a space in front to cut aside when suddenly this Altis here just stepped into my lane. So that at that point in time, all there was to be done, quickly slam on the brakes, steer to the middle lane, and avoid. Yeah. So I think this Megane RS also was caught a bit by surprise. He also managed to avoid the Altis, thankfully. But yeah, that was a very, very close call. So the lesson learned here is, of course, always be alert on the road, whether you are moving into someone else's lane or whether you are keeping to your own lane. Watch out for cars coming from behind you. Watch out for slower cars in front that may just suddenly cut into your lane. And in an emergency, always be ready to steer and avoid. Always keep your eyes where you want to go. Okay, so this incident is also an effective demonstration on the importance of ABS, because it was ABS that prevented the wheels from locking as the Altis cut into my lane, that allowed me to slam the brakes at full force, prevent the wheels from knocking, and that allowed me to maintain traction and allowed me to steer the car out of trouble without losing control. Okay, it is also an effective demonstration of the Waja's impressive handling capabilities. So thank you for watching, and until my next video, bye for now.